Hi, this is BnB IT Services, and this is our third video on introduction to our services. And we've already done the first one. We definitely cover the research and data analysis services that we render to our customers. We also have another second video that also talk about the software development services, and this is the third one, which actually talks about the digital marketing services. So here I'll go straight to the digital marketing services. But before I'll go into that, as I'm talking to you right now, we have our YouTube channel and our Facebook channel, which is being shown to you that you can definitely subscribe. Let's then think to what we do under the digital marketing area. The first thing that we do there is what we call the search engine optimization. And we have a team of people, experts, that actually deal with this particular area. And once you have your site or you have any kind of maybe your business and you want this particular business to be on the rank, being able to rank higher in the Google search results, definitely we have a team of staff who are there to be able to assist you. We have social media marketing, which has also been one of the order of the day right now. Just about almost everybody now uses social media, and that is an area that definitely you can explore. So if you want to explore that area, if you want to become competent in that area, or if you have your business out there, you want us to be able to enroll you onto these particular services, definitely we are much available and we can do that. The next one, we have content marketing. We have people who actually write content to people and to increase your brand awareness. Definitely all these things are there for us to be able to assist you. If you want to, maybe you have your blog and then you have your white papers, you have your ebooks, you have your digital videos, you have a podcast, and any other thing that you want contents to be created for you, definitely we are available and you can definitely contact us to be able to do that for you. Now we have email marketing. That's also another emergency, another area that is now coming out, and definitely right now we have a lot of emails, still one of the most effective marketing techniques, as we all know, and definitely we cannot throw away that particular aspect. So if you want us to be able to introduce you to that area, we have a team of staff which are available, and they can definitely help you to be able to understand the optimal audience outreach and then some of the skills that you will need in analyzing customer interactions and data. And most of the time you need to be able to making strategy decisions based on the data that you have actually been able to accumulate. All these things, we undertake them under email marketing. Mobile marketing, we also undertake that particular one. And definitely, you know that this has also been one of the order of the day right now. If you want to reach a whole lot of people, then definitely you need to go into this area and be able to have an expertise in this particular area. So we are there to assist you under that. Marketing analysis. What is it that you have? You have a lot of data. You want to track your marketing pieces. You want to be able to direct your mail offers. What is it that you want to do? You want to be able to know how many times maybe you click on your link or you start people actually visit your page. All these things are there. And then we are there to also be able to assist you so they can take up some of these marketing analytics for you, and we can also teach you to be an expert. The last thing I'd like to talk about is what we call affiliate marketing, and we can also assist you in this particular area. So as I'm bringing this particular presentation to an end, what I'm trying to say is that we have a whole lot of marketing services, digital marketing services available that you can definitely fall on us. And basically, if you have your business which you want to enroll on this particular package, it is available. And if you also want to build out your expertise on this particular area, then I'll urge you to definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then also you can also subscribe to our Facebook channel, follow us through that particular link. Also, you can also like us, and we also have our WhatsApp number that is also there. We have our email there that you can definitely contact us through any of these particular mediums. You can also get us through our through Google Business Services, and then maybe give us anything that you definitely need. If maybe you need us to be able to work on something for you, or if there is anything that you want to make inquiries from, definitely you can contact us through any of these mediums. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.